Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting System tutorial, I'll talk about customer deposit. Let's log into SQL Accounting System. In SQL Accounting System, normally there are two ways for you to do customer deposit. First, when you have a customer pay you deposit and there is no invoice have been issued, what you can do is you can just go to customer payment, new, select the customer, let's say Syntax Technologies. Let's say he paid a deposit 1,000 ringgit, receive in bank, the check number or reference number. Because there's no invoice have been issued, meaning that there's no invoice for you to knock off with this customer payment. And you can see that the double entry is debit your bank, credit your customer. It brings another meaning that you are owing your customer money. So this is one way of doing customer deposit by direct keying under customer payment. If you have noticed, when you key in sales order, under here there's deposit function. This function is exactly like you directly do a customer payment without knockoff with any invoice, because customer payment cannot knock off with a sales order. Sales order is not an accounting entry, it's just a business document. The more advanced way for you to do customer deposit is go to customer deposit. And I always advise my customer to use this function because we can do tracking. Let's create a customer deposit. Same thing, we select Syntax. The pay amount is 1,000 ringgit. Deposit account is automatically assigned to prepayment for customer. Receive in bank, then reference number. Same thing, just save it. You still can print the customer receipt for your customer. Now, what happens is, later when you have issue an invoice, let's say this invoice is for furniture, a 2,000 ringgit, we save it, close. How we make use of the deposit to knock off with the invoice is, we still need to go back to customer payment and key as a new customer payment. The only difference is, instead of key under pay amount directly, we can select from deposit account. By doing this, the pay amount automatically will be the deposit amount. You can change the amount that you want to use to knock off with the invoice. By doing this, when you go back to your customer deposit, you are able to track the original deposit amount and the unapplied deposit amount. This deposit have been used for payment, which document number, which date will appear over here. If you want to refund to your customer, you just need to click here, deposit refund. How much you want to refund? Let's say you just want to refund 200 ringgit, reference number, okay, then you can see the refund, and the unapplied amount for this deposit is 500 ringgit. By double click on the refund, you are able to print the payment voucher. There is another possibility that customer deposit, instead of make payment to invoice, refund to customer, maybe the balance 500 ringgit you want to forfeit it. What you need to do is just click on the icon over here, deposit forfeit. Let's say you want to forfeit the balance 500 ringgit. You need to select an account. Maybe you want to put in your others income. So I have created one other's income called customer forfeit. Okay, just click OK. So when you're doing checking, you can see that there's no more unapplied amount for this deposit. Now, for certain industry, you may want to track the customer deposit by project. Very easy. Just go to customer deposit, click new, select customer, key in the deposit amount, key in the reference number. Then under receive in, you may able to select project. Let's say this project is for project Taman Esan. Save it. After select the project, you go back to browse, and over the browsing screen, what you can do is right click any column title, field chooser, and pull out payment project, drag, drop, and you are able to track the deposit according to the payment project. This is very useful for properties management, maybe for lawyer firm, that they need to trace a customer deposit according to different project or different cases. This is how you can make use of customer deposit in SQL accounting system. If you are interested in SQL accounting system or SQL payroll system, or you want to change your SQL yearly support maintenance to us, do contact us directly. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you.